What happens when an automotive giant from Germany picks up some intellectual property from a storied American truck and tractor company? Well, you get an all-new car company called Scout. These two models are still concepts, but they preview production intent Terra and Traveler models from the new Scout brand. So where does the Scout name come from? Well, from 1961 to 1980, the company known as International Harvester, or simply International, built a lineup of body-on-frame trucks and SUVs that competed with things like a Chevy Suburban or a Ford Bronco. In the late 70s, the Scout model came out, and it had two variants, the Traveler and the Terra, and that is what inspired the names of these two models. And Volkswagen is using the Scout name to bring these off-road focused electrified models to the American market. And these are true trucks. They've got solid rear axles, front and rear mechanical lockers, and they are body on frame. But don't think that these are going to be VW priced Rivian alternatives. Starting around $60,000, there will be full EV versions as well as extended range EV versions. The all-electric models are promising up to 350 miles thanks to an 800-volt architecture, peak 350 kilowatt DC fast charging, and looky, the Tesla NACS port right out of the box. Thank you. If you go for the extended range EV model, you'll see a gas engine acting as a generator to help these reach closer to 500 miles of range. What kind of engine acts as that generator? We don't know yet. Design-wise, these are obviously heavily inspired by the original Scouts, and the Terra model here will come exclusively with a 5.5-foot bed, while the Traveler will have a split rear tailgate. Size-wise, these are definitely closer to Ford Bronco than Rivian R1. Somewhere in this bed, there are two 120-volt outlets and one giant 240-volt outlet, so you can charge or plug in any device you have at the campsite or at the sporting event, whatever you're doing. This obviously being a concept model means we see some smooth surfaces, some rudimentary materials, but just imagine this more production ready when these cars come out later. Scout plans on doing direct sales when these hopefully become available around 2027. Yes, that is a long ways away, and yes, the automotive landscape might look a little bit different by then, but if this all looks good to you and you want to put a reservation in, you can right now for $100 fully refundable at scoutmotors.com. Let us know what you think about these concepts and the Scout brand in general, and as always, thanks for watching.